Hello everyone, my name is Phoebe. Welcome to Fordeer. In this video, I will show you how to download or print invoices using our app. Currently, you can download invoices in two ways, from order section in our app or from your Shopify admin. First, let's start with downloading invoices from Fordeer app. Go to Order section, then select the orders you want to download or print. After that, click Print or Download button here to get the invoice. Here. And if you want to send an invoice manually to your customer, simply click here and press Send. Or you can go to Order Detail page and click Send Thank You here. And to download multiple orders at once, just select multiple order and click download. For example, you select 10 orders and click download invoice. You can select the board here and click here that's 100 selected orders and hit download and download invoice. When you download in bulk, the history will show me in the bulk download history section here. For the free plan, you can download up to 50 invoice. With higher plans, you can download unlimited invoice. You can export the order in CSV file by click here, by select order and three dots and click export order. Yes, you also click icon button here to export order. Yep, that's it. If you have any question about downloading invoices, feel free to let us know. Thank you and bye-bye.